Okay, hello everyone, this is a midnight tone check. Now I'm playing through my Diezel Schmidt amp, second channel, and no pedals, but I kinda love this sound. Actually, I wanna show more about Diezel Schmidt because it's very undervalued amp. It can be bought for like 1,200, I think, in Germany, or even lower, and it's amazing, to be honest, for its price. I paid for it much more, but I still happy. But let's enable some pedals. Okay, what I want to do now, let's switch the review drive on, and I will decrease the volume knob. I love this kind of kinda replace the amp overdrive by pedal overdrive. Kinda more vintage character, maybe. Kinda interesting thing, anyway. But let's enable the Vibe. You can see here the Scarlet Vibe from Air River FX. This is great pedal. I love it, but I kinda also love to use it like a preamp, like a secret sauce pedal, like this. It will slightly decrease the volume and amount of high end, slightly push the low frequencies. So in my opinion, tone became darker and kinda vintage. It's because on the lowest intensity settings you almost can't hear the effect of Universe. Let's listen to it on the neck position. Middle position. The phase currently is switched, but I wanted to decrease the amount of low end on rear-wheel drive, but I decided not to do this. This is a bridge position. Let's increase the volume. We think, okay. And decrease it back. Let's listen it without reveal drive. I love reveal drive because it has these additional options for controlling it. It's like you can enable or disable reveal drive boost, mid-range boost. So this is no boost, and boost enabled. You can buy for this thing special, foot switch, or you can solder the special cable. You just need few resistors and regular TRS cable, actually 2 of them. You need to make it like a Y cable. For me, it's like a kind of specific filter, kind of preamp thing from Scarlet Vibe. I actually like it even more than regular Univibe thing. See here that I'm using the orange side of rear drive, and more knob is actually in lowest position, so it should be pretty close to the Vox amp, but I don't know, in my opinion it's just a overdrive, but I still love it. Then it has some kind of mix of clean sound. This is a second channel of Diezel Schmidt. With your volume knob you can change the tone drastically. Let's decrease the volume again. Let's increase it. Decrease. like it more when it's kinda slightly decreased. Or even more than slightly, like on a medium position. Kinda interesting thing. Okay, that's it. This is Scarlet Vibe in pretty unusual settings, I think, but maybe it's not so unusual as I thought. Also, intensity is on lowest position and speed is kinda free, or maybe you can change it because it will be still unhearable. Let's actually check it. It's actually kind of work, I think. I more like it on the lower settings. I don't know. I think this thing is amazing. Yeah, because it has a big box, so in a big box you have a big tone. Okay, that's it for today, I think.